Hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about battery drain on iOS 26 on iPhones, especially older iPhones like iPhone 12, 13. These devices are having really bad battery life, and in this video, we are going to talk about how to fix this. Is there any way to fix it, or you should just wait to install iOS 26? All of these things we are going to discuss in this video. My name is Jay, you are watching Tech Hype. Let's get right into today's video. Okay, so iOS 26, it's just been barely a week that Apple has released it to the public. A lot of people have already installed it on their devices and they're using it day to day. Have got pretty mixed reactions and pretty mixed experiences from all of you guys. Some of you love it, some of you don't. You would ask me, I personally do not really like this new design a lot since day one, and I've said this earlier as well. I would always prefer the older design. I know with time we all are going to love it and we all are going to get habitual to this new design, but I personally am not really a big fan of this new UI elements. Guess what? Because these new elements, new animations are so cool and they just look so cool. There are just so many elements to every animation, from smallest things like going from one tab to another in phone to opening and closing app. Everything has so many new animation, a different kind of animation. That is one of the biggest thing which is sipping out battery from your device. Believe it or not, yeah, I know these things are very little, very small, but it keeps on happening all the time, and trust me when I say it sips out a lot of battery from your device. So what you have to do is go in settings, turn off reduce motion. If you are really low on battery life, then just do this. It will stop all these animations, and I know it's gonna feel a bit weird, but trust me when I say if you are really suffering on battery life, it's gonna save you a lot. But apart from that, iOS 26 in general seems pretty refined in terms of performance and all, but battery life on older devices, because of so many new elements, so many new changes, they are suffering, and there is nothing wrong in it, because that's pretty normal. That's how you know your device is aging. If you have not installed iOS 26 yet, I would still ask you guys to just wait for some time and just wait for a week or two. Apple is gonna release another version of iOS 26, gonna be 26.0.1 most probably. So yeah, that's gonna be the version which we will see really soon. So make sure to wait for a week or two. We will get that. Not even 2 weeks, it's gonna be most likely in a week. We are gonna get that update on our devices, and it's gonna be majorly focusing on refining the battery life. Well, that's pretty much it for today's quick little episode. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Until then, this is me, Jay, aka Tech Hyped, and I am signing off. Peace out.